Hello, 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 everybody. Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome again to Raw Game Marketing. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. Please don't forget to hit like and don't forget to hit that bell, like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. Thank you guys for the ones that already did so. Continue to share and to let others know. Today, I think we're going to get into why I like Navy Federal Credit Union so much. And there's a lot of other different credit unions out there. They may be better, and some of you guys might know of them. And if you do know of some other credit unions, please feel free to leave in the comments about other credit unions and share. We're all going to be helped one to another, but I tend to lean towards Navy Federal a lot. Because the one thing about Navy Federal is they're called the House of High Limits. They're known for giving high limit credit cards, and you really only have to have medium credit. Your credit score ain't got to be all that good, and they'll give you a high limit on a credit card. So that's one of the reasons what I like about Navy Federal. But I must say that in order to get into Navy Federal, you're supposed to be military based or first kin family member, such as your father or mother or somebody. But there's more than one way to skin a cat. You definitely know there's other ways to get in, and I'll make a video about that another time. But one way to get into Navy Federal, I'm gonna say, is somebody in your household or in the same house with you that has a Navy Federal account. That's one way that you could get in. But me personally, my father was in the Army. He was in Vietnam, and that's how I was able to get in, and it was fairly easy. I got 3 Navy Federal credit cards. I got the Navy Federal, I got the cashback card, I got the platinum card, and I also have the Go Business card. And I just want to say those limits are pretty high. So you got to focus on your personal credit card and then apply for the business. Because if you get high limits on your personal card, guess what? Guess what they're going to do on the business side? Of course, you're going to get a high limit on your business side as well. So it's even going to be even a higher limit. Because, in most instances and most creditors, they give you a more high limit of credit on the business side. Also, what I'm gonna say is, I had to look at my notes real fast that Navy Federal also have what's it called, late night hack, which I don't know if it's still in effect, but actually what you do is, like, after everybody's gone home, all the representatives are gone, you apply for the credit card, and supposedly you'll get approved for a high limit either right then and there on the spot, or in the morning once they get back into work, you'll get a high limit. But excuse me, I don't know if that hack still works or not, but if it does, if somebody tries to use it recently, just leave it in the comments below, let me know. And also Navy Federal, they have another hack with a personal loan, but I don't want to get too much into that. But you could get a personal loan and pretty much do what you pay your personal loan off, use it for personal reasons or to fund your business, or doing whatever you need to do with that personal loan. As I stated before, Navy Federal, they give you these high limits. And another thing I like about them is they give you high credit limit increases. So once you get these high limits, you wait 3 to 6 months, but I'm gonna say you wait about 6 months. Then after 6 months, they'll give you a credit limit increase, and it'll only be a soft pull. So you'll only get a soft pull, which won't affect your what they call inquiry. So you won't get another inquiry on your credit report, which we all know if you get too many inquiries, that can hurt you when you're applying for credit. But as I stated before, yeah, they have a lot of great cards, a lot of beneficial cards. They got a card with a partnership with Amex, and their customer service. That's another thing I want to bring up. Their customer service is great. I've never really had any problems with them. They're very knowledgeable, just nice, hardworking people. They understand their products, and that's just another plus in the situation. And they also have great auto loans. They have low percentage auto loans if you qualify, of course, and if you open up a business account with them as well. You can also get a business line of credit, or you can get what they call a voucher, and you can go purchase your car of choice, a prepaid voucher, which means they give you a certain amount of money and you'll get a check. And with that check, you can go purchase the car you want, and for a cheap interest rate, rather than have the dealership keep running your name and jamming your name through, and you get all these inquiries on your credit report, which can help you. But I do know that there are other credit unions that give high limits as well, and there's a lot of other credit limits around, but I particularly like Navy Federal. Then I also have other local credit unions as well. They're very helpful. So if you guys have any great experiences with them, share them in the comments below. Man, let me know, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I can't tell you how important that is and how important that means to me. I'm gonna be making these videos just giving you free raw game, like I stated, raw game marketing, free raw game, just giving you what I know and my experiences. And if I could just be a help to you guys, that would be great. Credit is what's going on right now. It's the world, and it's what's happening, as we know. And then they also, you can also do a late night hack as far as with your funding, so you can apply for credit limit increases also late at night with Navy Federal. But I also want to say salute to our troops and those who have fought for us in the war. Really appreciate that. Continue to do so, and continue to share information with one another. But yes, I'm trying to figure out what else I like about Navy Federal. They just great all around the board. As I stated, there's nothing I really don't like about them. And they also have something that they call a pledge loan, which is also great. But I'll do another video about the pledge loan later. But what a pledge loan is, it's like it's good, and it'll show up on your credit report. The pledge loan is like a line of credit, but you're using your own money. You use your own money, but it shows on your credit report as like a loan, but you still have access to that money on the pledge loan. So if you want, for instance, if I do a $10,000 pledge loan, I have to have $10,000 on my own account, and it's like I'm paying myself back, but it's reporting on the credit report as a loan, which is a great help and a great structure for your loan when obtaining for credit in the future. But I'll get into that later. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Continue to hit like and subscribe. If there's anything that you want me to do a video on, please leave it in the comments. Don't forget, it's important, like and subscribe. Thank you all. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.